Hi everyone. Two things employers and entrepreneurs and businessmen in general can learn from IRGC and Ayatollah Khamenei. Regardless of what you feel about the war, and yes, the violence, whatever is happening, two things that entrepreneurs and businessmen should learn from Ayatollah Khamenei and IRGC. See, on 28th of Feb 2026, um, US and Israeli precision strikes took out the entire leadership of Iran. Yet these guys, the IRGC, started the attack on their own. Everybody knows this. Now you will see. Now people see only the half side of the story. How all videos and all news that you'll see would be based on how much you like Iran is actually harming US or Israel. Nobody is going to show you the footages of how much damage the missiles are happening. And I'm not like pro Iran or something like that. Don't mistake me for this. This is a purely logical and business discussion. So I'm referring to one or two no observations. In his entire tenure, Ayatollah Khamenei like paid and took care of IRGC corps personnel very very succinctly, very very carefully. Basically मुद्दे की बात यह है कि you paid and you took care of these people well. And even despite having a lot of technology, he did not think कि यार मेरे पास इतनी मिसाइलें हैं. I have supersonic missiles Mark 15 Mark 20. ये फतह 1 फतह 2 पता नहीं क्या क्या बना रखा है. काफ़ी तो हमें पता भी नहीं, जो बाद में पता चलेंगी. And these things would actually create value. और तो हमें इतने सैनिकों की क्या ज़रूरत है. हम निकाल देते, हम भी कर देते अग्निवीर या बेसिकली वॉट एवर दैट ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस थिंग. तो ये वैसे इंडियन सरकार के लिए भी अच्छा बेनिफिट है यार. देखो, योर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे autonomous systems, AI agents, and because I'm an AI researcher also, and I'm an AI engineer also, and I've done some of the most advanced projects which people don't even think. So point is, everything has a capacity. Even if you make a robotic army, it has a capacity, it has resources. How will you even make one entire control of rare earth metals is in China? But humans, they will find out. The human essence or the human that thing cannot be bought out. That ये ना कॉमन में ना ये रिच एंटरप्रेन्योर्स में काफी लाइक इफ यू आर an industrialist who has some like 1,000 crore 10,000 crore 1 lakh crore, इनमें ये बायस आ जाता था कि सब मर जाएंगे, मैं तो बचा लूंगा ना, मेरा तो सब चलेगा. आई कैन अफोर्ड कीप ऑन अंडर कटिंग, कीप ऑन अंडर कटिंग. 20 साल मैंने स्टार्टिंग सैलरी से लेकर सब कुछ सैलरी सेव रखा है. मैंने नहीं, मतलब किसी ने सारी सैलरी सेट. ये सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, ये यूएस में भी सेम है. उनके पैसे बढ़ ही नहीं रहे हैं कुछ, तभी तो सारी अराजकता है. और हम इंडियंस गरीबी की तरह कि आप उनको आप उनको $4 लाख देते हैं, हम $2 लाख लेके काम करेगा. मैं हमको दे दियो भिखमंगों की तरह हम जाते हैं. हम कोई वैल्यू नहीं क्रिएट करते. उन्हें डर, उन्हें गुस्सा आता है क्योंकि उस इंसान ने बहुत मेहनत करी है. क्योंकि इंडियन एजुकेशन और यूएस एजुकेशन का और रिसर्च का तो वैल्यू हमें पता है. डिफरेंस इज देयर. what I want to message is कि even after you going the system has to grow. ये 4 hour वर्क वीक में ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा उसने. समथिंग हैज टू बी देयर ना. और वो एक दिन में नहीं अर्न होता. खमीनी ने ही पेड so many perks, and yes, though some of those things were abusive, like I cannot speak it out very loudly, मतलब, but he actually took care of. अब लड़ रही है जनता. इवन ही वाज देयर, सब कुछ अपने मोसेक मॉडल में 31 को लेके स्ट्रेटेजिकली दिमाग भी लगा रहे, अपना सब कुछ झोंक दे रहे हैं. And let me give you a proper context. Israel and US have caused more damage. वो that all nobody is counting or nobody is seeing those kind of bomb blasts जिस स्केल पे हो रहे हैं वहाँ. पूरी की पूरी एसिड रेन हुई है अभी वहाँ पे ईरान में. ब्लैक टार रेन हुई है. दिस नोबडी इज सीइंग. बट यस, उधर डेटोल को 40-50 हज़ार में होगा फॉर ऑल यू नो. बट अगेन आई एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग, आई डोंट सपोर्ट वायलेंस. मेरा पर्सनल टेक अबाउट द मिडल ईस्ट वॉर इज कि ये क्राइसिस खत्म हो भगवान. नो मोर हर्ट, नो मोर इंजरी. चाहे जो मर्जी रेजोल्यूशन हो, ये क्राइसिस बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. एनीवेज, द पॉइंट इज ही पेड देम वेल. उसने ये नहीं सोचा कि टेक्नोलॉजी के एडवांसमेंट से मैं इनको धक्के मार के निकाल दूंगा. अब मेरे पास 1.5 लाख सैनिक की जगह 1 लाख सैनिकों से मैं 25 लाख लोगों का काम करा लूंगा. नहीं. दिस इज वाई दीज थिंग्स आर सो. डू नॉट बी in the urge to fire off anybody, lay off, let alone don't be a stupid entrepreneur who has the urge of firing anybody. And like if the quarterly criteria is met just because your investor is pressuring you कि आपको you have to maintain a certain ये rate, those guys are the same Americans वो, and they are doing it on purpose क्योंकि इंडिया को गुलामी में रखना है. तो ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साई से गंदी ट्रीटी हमसे आज साइन करा ली गई है. इन्फ्लेशन एडजस्टेड अमाउंट ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर वन, पोस्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर वन जर्मनी ट्रीटी, द ट्रीटी ऑफ पैलेस ऑफ वर्साई, इन्फ्लेशन एडजस्टेड अमाउंट in 2026 would be 400 कुछ billion dollars, $400 billion and change. India has already committed, or at least Trump is proclaiming $500 billion, and we मैं कर दिया हम लोग. अब देखो आप सिचुएशन क्या होगी इंडिया में. So don't be in the urge or like basically the chull that बीच में वो mosquito should not bite that I should fire so much people. Do not be into that. Even if most autonomous systems can replace them, you don't know where things can go. You don't know how much your business will be occupied by OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. Basically your livelihood will be controlled by them. Whereas there are people who can actually substitute them and make decent systems. It's true. Autonomous systems and agents are the new future. And multi-capacity, multi-dimensional, and there will be advances, one of which I am working on. Low compute AI. But anyways, these things will keep on coming in. Don't be in the urge to fire off people. Try to be thoda compassionate, thoda ye hriday, थोड़ा हार्ट चकड़ा ओपन मारी. Sorry to use this word. Okay, the credit goes to my teachers, my gurus, Master Chua, and well, let's not get it. So the point is, don't be under like thoda be benevolent. Now people remember, even if it is for fake, let me just tell you, I don't easily trust unless I verify. I have no way of verifying, was Mr. Ratan Tata actually that benevolent and kind? You might be just, or for that matter, Mr. Branson. Or is it just PR, good PR? There are multiple loads and loads of PR agencies. But even then, people admire वो capital work करती है. You don't need to be a hard ass on ambitious. I know there are 7 types of tendencies which people come and bring into business. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होती. वो human में worldwide work करती है. These are deep spiritual concepts revealed by my teachers. But again, there are things you have no control how much a balance of compassion can go along with you. And I have to take an aggressive example just to demonstrate bhaiya ki don't preserve so much of don't create so much of anxiety and so much that you are creating a mass and masses of, for one, you are creating masses and masses of people who are intellectually smart and have nothing to lose. They are in debt traps. Don't do that. See, most dangerous people are not that who have so much power. Most dangerous people are the ones who have nothing to lose. Iran, we see this from Iran again. जान लगा देंगे, कुछ भी मार देंगे. Even Japanese Okinawa वो ऑपरेशन जो अमेरिका प्लान दैट फुट बाय फुट ऑपरेशन ना, ये अमेरिकन का पता नहीं कोई किस्मत है, एंटी वॉर किस्मत है. वेरेवर यू विल प्लान अ वॉर यू विल फेल. Whenever you will do haramzadagi and like tripartite subtle attacks or covert attacks, you will win. For some reason, America, जैसे इंडिया में they are winning by subtle and covert influence attacks. And you launch a military operation and in against Syria, against Taiwan, against Vietnam. Sorry, not Taiwan, Vietnam. Everywhere these guys go and intrude, they will fail. Everywhere they will launch a military operation, they will fail. But wherever they will play Saddam के साथ, Gaddafi के साथ, and these guys are tertiary attacks Syria में, these things they will win like that. For some reason, so you understand that there's a heavy component of Rahu over there. but the point is, and Rahu India में भी heavy है. So the point is, don't be थोड़ा मतलब ना थोड़ा aggressive चीड़ देंगे फाड़ देंगे. I'll be the best one. Now you people don't see how about this Zomato issue. This thing. दीपेंद्र गोयल को 2 मिनट नहीं लगे इन्फ्लुएंसर को बात करते हुए. एंड द पॉइंट इज उस इंडस्ट्री का प्रॉब्लम है द इकोसिस्टम इज ईटिंग इटसेल्फ. The ecosystem benefits from more inconvenience of pollution and traffic. So that is why the traffic has to keep on increasing to increase the businesses of Zomato and Swiggy and these guys. अभी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को मार तो नहीं पड़ेगी इसके बारे में. Would I get into trouble if I... चलो कह ही देते, कह दिया तो कह दिया. I'm not editing this video also. So the point is, don't be under the chul because you don't know what karma you are doing. Even that is, like Ayatollah Khamenei ji would have done so many heinous karmas, but still the IRGC is supporting them. So there's a learning behind that. Second learning, leverage whatever you can. You can never underestimate the power that you have just because सामने वाला is a big dog. See, a lot of people, a lot of companies are just writing wrappers over agentic suits or AI, these inference models, and that is what they're calling AI enabled, AI powered, transforming the history of the world. While I'm just doing temperature, this is the prompt, this is the chat agent, यही काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. That is not AI. Till date, I'll reveal this big secret. There's only one person, one company whose bread and butter or the core business secret is AI. See, there is a public show of business, there is a secret business. So the public show of business is what am I showing, but secret of the trade secret. For example, Google shows of AI, Google shows of deep technology, but the concept is people, intelligence, the connections. Microsoft shows of like अच्छे products, सस्ते products, laptops and everything, OS and cloud and now AI also. But the actual trade secret is control over governments, control over businesses. Only one person जिसका show of business is social media, WhatsApp, Insta, but the trade secret is AI. How do you think that Instagram models generate the timeline that will inject desires into you? In 2020, like I came to know about this in 2020, but there are deep researches on how changing the spectrometer color or like spectroscopic things in a GAN you can do that. In a DG, any kind of DCGN model, even WAN or even conventional GAN, you can like cross embed with an intelligent model to make sure that the kind of small pixel clusters in the visual feedback periphery, which kind of neural clusters they will modify and how much will they modify. This research has been done years ago. That is where AI is used. Generate the sequence. I tried to replicate that with sequence to sequence transformer, failed miserably. But yes, this kind of AI is there. This is how the trade and secret, the bread and butter of Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg's organization is AI. That is the trade, deep secret. See, Olama models and all those things will be available for free. What is going behind the scenes is very different. So, yes. But the problem is people in India or anywhere, the startups are focusing on writing wrappers. And वही है ना कि mindset वही है, छोड़ भैया, sorry to use this word, but yes, mindset छोड़ भैया, sorry to use this word. क्योंकि हमें कुछ अपना काम करना नहीं. एंड ये दिस इज ऑल्सो डीप डिस्टर्बिंग फैक्ट कि इंडिया में इनोवेशन और अपना काम करना मुश्किल भी बहुत है. एंड इट इज़ बाय डिज़ाइन, इट इज़ बाय द सेम लीडर्स. बट द पॉइंट इज इंडिया में 2 लाख रुपए से ऊपर ये जो प्रोक्योरमेंट में प्रॉब्लम आती है यार, एक क्लस्टर ही वो 25 लाख का है. हाउ द हेल विल यू एक्सपेक्ट इनोवेशन इन इंडिया? उस पर स्टोरी चढ़ा दो, बिजनेसेस के लिए पैसा अंदर लाना बंद कर दो. Stripe had to go away from India practically. A lot of companies had to go away. The different is, the problem is na ki we do not actually know what is right for us, but we are under the ego and the impression and all that. and that is what bites us like a mosquito on that buttocks. So don't think, see, these are big dogs, but don't you see कि Iran is actually standing up and possibly has a chance to calm. तो देखो, you are not launching attacks and fighting against these companies, but when the bottlenecks or the throat checking or the controls from these four companies come to your startup, you should have something to actually keep your business afloat. कुछ तो काम करना पड़ेगा ना दोस्त, कभी तो आपका गला चोक कर सकते हैं. Then you won't even have a good workforce, because the workforce did not develop, because you cut off their funding, क्योंकि आपके मन में कीड़ा था कि मेरे को ले ऑफ करने बंदे को. अब दीपेंद्र गोयल जी posted something on LinkedIn. You just imagine this person was the one who boasts of कि I hire only people who are not looking for jobs. ठीक है, some good quality people are looking for jobs, some good quality people are never looking for jobs, some all combinations exist. Some bad quality people also get good references, some good quality people also get good references, some bad quality people also look for jobs, some good quality people also apply for jobs through the apply portals. You can never know, and sometimes it happens ki what you think is as a fresher is a bad quality person learns and upskills himself to become the best quality employee right now, but because you had flagged him in the system for like you have added a tag, so no other hiring manager is going to hire, so organization का benefit नहीं होता. Sometimes people change their tendencies after marriage, sometimes after marriage people become more productive. तो ये जो घटिया बायस हमारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट फैला रहे हैं कि मैरिज ना होने दो, समटाइम्स पीपल बिकम मोर स्मार्टर एंड मोर एफिशिएंट, बट इंडिया में किसी को एफिशिएंसी का पॉइंट ही नहीं है. इंडिया में तो गधा मजदूरी, तो पत्थर तोड़ेगा तो 70 घंटे तब काम होगा तुमसे. तो यही तो हमें मारती हैं चीजें, पत्थर तोड़ो और अपने आप को जला दो सब कुछ. डोंट लेट पीपल एनी, तो ये कर्मा मिलता है दोस्त. तो अमेरिका को कौन सा कर्मा मिल रहा है ना. Things like these do matter when you have support, when you have higher, even if you don't have higher technology support, you can build up things that can keep you afloat, and the people will contribute. 140 करोड़ लोगों की जनता पे पीपल आर फोकसिंग कि इनको बेवकूफ़ कैसे बनाया जाए, और वर्ड बजाय इसके कि इनको और स्मार्ट कैसे बनाया जाए, क्योंकि स्मार्ट आदमी पे राज करना मुश्किल होता है, बेवकूफ़ आदमी पे राज करना आसान होता है. दैट इज जो आसान काम है वही किया जाता है. तो द पॉइंट इज कि अभी मैं बहुत डीप बातें कर रहा हूँ, ये मैंने सारे नोट्स हैं मेरे एनीवेज. तो डोंट थिंक कि योर छुटभैया माइंडसेट और दैट कि आज तो हो जाएगा ना मेरा माइंडसेट. ये दिस वीडियो इफ यू शो इट टू 10,000 20,000 crore people, their ego will say that, but this is the right thing. You do learn it from somebody. अब मेरे को एग्जाम्पल भी ऐसा लेना पड़ रहा है जो कि बड़ा खतरे से खाली नहीं है, टू पॉइंट आउट कि वेयर द बिजनेसेस आर गोइंग टू गो रॉन्ग इन फ्यूचर. और ये आप होते देखोगे, चोक पॉइंट्स, बैंकरप्सीज आप होते देखोगे बिकॉज ऑफ कि ओपन एआई की मन में आया कि आज मैं ये प्रोफाइल ऐसे चेंज कर देता हूँ, तो योर रिस्पॉन्सेज बिकम डिफरेंट, योर क्वालिटी गोज डाउन, और योर एजेंट्स टेक सो मच टाइम और दे बिल अलॉट. और ये जो एजेंटिक इनर कन्वर्सेशन की जो बिल हो रही है, ये कौन मॉनिटर कर रहा है, क्योंकि आउटपुट टोकन्स आर कॉस्टलियर देन इनपुट टोकन्स. हु इज द वन इज मॉनिटरिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. तो हु इज द वन हु इज गोइंग टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस. इंटेलिजेंट पीपल यू फायर्ड लॉन्ग अगो. They are practically survived. They were practically hungry after debt traps because the inflation kept on rising. You did not increase their salaries, whereas you could have, but you were busy bootlicking Americans. Anyways, the point is, ये जो है, and इसमें don't come and pinpoint beginning entrepreneur startups. They have no power. People who have a capital or the cash flow of like 1 lakh crore of assets, 30,000 crore, 50,000 crore of monthly or yearly revenue, those are the ones who can make these kind of changes. ये 10-5 करोड़ कमाने वाले स्टार्टअप एंटरप्रेन्योर को जिसकी कंपनी 10-20 लोगों की, उस पर इनोवेशन का बिल मत फाड़ो. उन पे ये डीप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन थ्रू स्टार्टअप इंडिया विल नेवर हैपन. ये बेवकूफ़ियाँ कम करनी चाहिए। ये हार्टलेसनेस और जो हेडलेसनेस है ना, सी आई अंडरस्टैंड टू राइज टू अ सर्टन लेवल यू हैड डन सो मच हार्ट थिंग्स दैट मेड यू हार्टलेस, या तो और वो है, बट दैट इज समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू हर्ट यू, बाइट यू बैक। यही यही फैक्टर होता है, इसी वजह से आपका ब्रेन ड्रेन होता है। ब्रेन ड्रेन का कोई ये हिंदू ये सब बकवास का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट रीजन वेयर, क्योंकि आप गरीब रखो, इंटेलेक्चुअल आदमी गरीब रखो, टैक्स पे टैक्स मारते रहो मारते रहो मारते रहो, तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? या तो मर जाएगा या तो भाग जाएगा। बहुत लोग मरते हैं, बहुत चुनिंदा लोग भाग जाते हैं, भागने वालों को वहां पे भी मारा जा रहा है। मूर्खताएं करना कम कर दो ना यार, थोड़ी थोड़ी काइंडनेस, थोड़ी काइंडनेस माड़ी, तो क्या माड़ी मतलब करो यार, ठीक है। डोंट बी अ हार्टलेस बफून, एंड at least to your people, you are owning company A and say company B is coming out, you can be heartless, that is just business, matlab I don't know, certain extent that should also not be there, but again, you being heartless or A because just somebody under this will come and whatever insecurity or whatever ambition that you have, or let's say I will, so don't be in a hurry to lay off people, because you are creating people who have nothing to lose. This is good for even any class actually. This doesn't only apply to employees. You are creating people who have nothing to lose. That is a dangerous situation. That is how do I say? The basically you have left up a CNG cylinder open and you are continuously trying to play with candles. This is exactly what is happening right now. What will happen? You might encounter some people who are not performing 100 to your expectation, 70, 60, 50, काम फिर भी चल रहा है, because you never know who at 100 becomes 50, who at 50 becomes 100 or 70, 60, or maybe just having 750, like 5 people who are 70 versus 3 people who are at 100, which is unsustainable. They'll burn out, they will die out. Maybe that is a better business strategy. And anyways, this company is yours. एक तो पहली बात ये employees को भी mindset है, ESOPs are not your anything. You don't have the power to vote. You don't have the power to claim share in dividends or profits. You don't have power to make significant decisions. You are not a shareholder, so stop boasting about the ESOPs. जिसका तो ये पॉइंट है कि ESOP देख के यू से कि ये तुम्हारी भी कंपनी है, यू बिकम, और इवन इफ नॉट गेमिंग की ओनरशिप माइंडसेट नहीं है. Let me reveal you a deep fact: nobody can be an owner of a product unless he is the owner of the company who's selling that product. No employee can be a owner of a product. They can do their job very conscientiously, they can be manipulated over generations to do that, but they can never be the owner, so they cannot do it as good as you. So if you are spending 1995 hours in a day, don't expect your employees to do that. That is the worst kind of irrational buffoonery that people will carry on. Don't expect your employees to be available for all of your bloody corporate retreats. उनका होली दिवाली सब तुम्हें अपने क्या, तुम्हें अपने पल्लू से बांध कर, तो you are just creating people who have been detached with their umbilical cord from their mother and attached another umbilical cord in your navel. What the hell is happening over here? स्पेस दे दो अपने, उसके रिलेशनशिप बेटर होने दो. बी काइंड, डोंट बी मर्सीलेस. Even Ayatollah Al Khamenei had good qualities from which you can learn. Versus the other party is just abuse, 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 lay off, lay off, lay off, abuse, 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 lay off, lay off, lay off. ले ऑफ से मेरा बढ़िया प्रोग्राम आ रहा है, अलग बात है कि हाउ डू एस्केप द रट ऑफ दिस ले ऑफ्स. बढ़िया. Don't be a buffoon, I would say. And I have to use this exact word. If it is hurting your ego, thank you so very much. Because that is made to show you कि भैया, in the times of crisis, these people will help you. Otherwise, you'll keep on buying turrets and private defense systems. Let's say if people become so arrogant in civil war that in front of DLF Camellia they will come up in mass masses. So DLF Camellia, being a rich society, can have machine guns and turrets and automated systems to shoot down people who are trying to intrude. ये actually Santa Clara की reality है. Santa Clara बेस और ये बिलियनियर्स और मैलिबू में जितने भी है, उनके घर के बारे में आप आर्मी डिफेंस सिस्टम्स देखोगे, डिफेंस वाले, यू विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. वो सिस्टम इतना फास्ट है कि वो 5 किलोमीटर तक किसी भी इंट्रूडर को मार सकता है. सो यू नीड लेयर्स एंड रिंग्स ऑफ एक्सेस टू मीट दिस पर्सन. क्योंकि भय इतना है ना, यू हैव क्रिएटेड दैट थिंग. अमेरिका में किसी को भी कभी मारा जा सकता है. एंड पीपल आर एंग्री just to divert their aggression so that they should not focus their attention on you. You make Indians or immigrants as scapegoats, and this is where you fail. Don't be heartless too much, because in times of crisis heartlessness doesn't help. Tanasha had to teach that. Anyways, I hope this helps you. Even if it rattles you, I hope this helps you. It's a different kind of message for businessmen and entrepreneurs. Don't be under so much heartless attitude that you have to fire off or like destroy the livelihoods of people. Those things do come back, and very, very soon.